To turn the scanner on, press the button and hold for about a second. The scanner will start up very quickly, and very soon you'll see the first screen appear. After a short conversation with your patient, decide which gender setting you're going to use by pressing the appropriate gender icon. You then need to decide whether you're going to use easy or expert mode, and you do this by following the instructions on the screen. In this instance we're using a phantom bladder. We take the probe, press the button once for pre-scan and start moving the probe around, and we're looking at the depiction in the centre of the screen. We're looking for it to be green, as large as possible, and bisected by the white line. Press the button for the second time, wait for the scanner to count up, and the reading will be displayed on the screen. To select expert mode, you go through the same procedure and make the different choice. Now you will see the bladder displayed as an image on the screen, and we're trying to do the same thing, make the image as large as possible, bisected by the white vertical line, and then press the button for the second time. And you can see the scans counting up on the left hand side, and then the final amount is displayed at the bottom right. It is good practice to check that all 12 scans are looking good, and you do this by using the up and down arrows on the left hand side of the screen. If there are a number of bad images, then quite simply do the scan again. If you want to review the image at a later time or share the image data with a colleague, then you can save it. Press the save button, wait for it to load up, and then you've got the option to review it at your leisure. Select out of the list which is the correct scan that you want to review and simply load it. Once loaded, you can see the image as it was when you took it previously. If you want a printed record, then simply press the print icon on the front of the screen and your record will emerge from the rear of the scanner. The Avantonic Z5 comes with a 3-year peace of mind warranty, requires no annual servicing and no annual calibration. Available as a trolley mount or desktop from WinHealth Medical Limited.